thing about it though is that the course changes every time you use it. You know, so it's like.
All right, I'm ready to take another turn.
You're up as soon as someone falls off.
Just give me some.
Hey, I've got a bee attacking me.
You do.
Send a flower.
I was after a.
Oh gosh.
How you doing, Hadley?
Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
No!
Oh no!
Oh no, Steve!
He hasn't gone for a long time.
Oh.
He's been. So you can be after him. He's been sitting out. So you're both up next.
The red one's tires are looser.
They do feel a little softer, huh?
Feel softer, yeah. I was able to get.
It's the newest.
Get way more grip right there. What?
Yeah.
Can you come monitor the camera?
Oh,
so I've got it
Michael,
set up
you've got yourself in a bad
mic,
situation.
But
I just back up and
depth
start over.
See if me and Hadley can make it up.
I just didn't want to fall.
On the top of the post.
There we go. I'm like holding my breath.
Heston, come
Is
and
the
coach her
screen
through this
supposed to be
turn.
on?
Come and help her get
Yeah.
this turn.
Oh, Hadley, do
She's
it.
doing
Is
it.
the screen
Okay.
on?
Yeah. Oh,
Should be
wait.
on.
Okay. Reverse. You want to help her out?
Okay.
Hayden,
Just
help her.
tell her which way to turn the wheels.
Good luck.
Just back up and try to get back up on that log.
Turn the wheels to the right all the way. No, turn the wheels all the way to the right, and then
Yeah, now back up. See if you can get back up on that
Okay.
log that you just came over.
um.
Kind of wiggle your wheels while you're backing up, and sometimes that helps.
Wait, hang on. Okay, go. Oh, actually, yeah. Turn left. Sorry, right. Yeah, this way.
This is so much fun.
And then. No. Wait, hang on. If you get an angle. Okay, so
Oh, jeez. That was close.
this way,
I
and
was
then
like,
slightly go forward, just barely. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, stop. Now turn the wheel to the right. Now back up. Just back up all the way. Reverse. Okay, now all the way to the right. Slightly go forward. A little bit more. Okay, now all the way to the right. Left, sorry. And then backwards. And then right, so it's just going back and forth. So slowly get the angle. Yeah, this is the only way to recover from the spot. Left, this way. Reverse. Right, forward. Now you're kind of in a predicament. Okay, right, got it. Backwards. Floor, backwards. Oh, you saved it. Good job. Now to the right again. Slowly. Okay, whoa, left. Back.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, put in reverse. Left and reverse. Oh. Right and forward.
Oh, Michael!
Okay,
Oh,
left and reverse. Reverse.
Carter, are you
What
out?
happened?
Yeah, and then right. Okay, you're gonna have to do this next
Okay.
part reverse.
Oh,
Oh, dang it.
Hey, you're getting good. You almost had that.
Okay, Michael. Not all of us can be really great.
Hey Ben, I'm voting for you to make this be second
Greatness is
because you stink so bad.
Thank
I'm
you.
just kidding.
Yeah, thank you. Let's put it right here so it's like a decorative.
So what does the potion do, Eleanor?
As soon as that back wheel drops off.
Wait. Don't bump any of these things.
That is so cool watching these three just line up on
Has
the
anyone
wall.
got some cool video of them all three coming up?
Wow, look at that. Yeah, right there. That's the shot you want right there. You got it.
Oh, but the legs are in the way, so it doesn't look as cool.
Huh?
But it's up.
I don't. It's up.
Look at that.
Okay, just leave it right here.
That is so, I mean, it looks like that could actually be real.
I know.
You know?
That the ones we
And then you
got
see
at,
somebody like, oh no.
that the ones we got at Pizza one day, they look really
Who's up?
You should do like a
Am I up?
Be careful.
Or Haps, are you?
Don't mess the truck.
do a video where you just impose like real truck.
Because you set up.
Hang on. I need to back up.
Do a video where you set up like real noises and just use this. But do
Oh,
close-ups,
what the heck?
And then with like real truck noises, you just come up at the end and pick it up with your hand.
I want to see how the black one handles.
The black one is my least favorite.
I like the
They should
red.
all do the
Yeah, the red is it's not as reactive.
I just like the red because
It's because it's on a different mode, Dad.
Yeah, the reverse is weird. Like you have to hit it twice.
Yeah,
It's-
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
You got it.
let
Nice
go.
and easy.
Because the first one
Nice and
stops
easy.
you, and then you have to release it.
There
and
you
then
go. You got
hit
some
it
room
again.
now. There you
I
go.
have a
Oh!
car just like
Wow!
I like
Wow.
that.
He like slid
I
turn.
literally cannot even get up this first one.
Come on, Hayden, do the other one.
I'm just gonna.
Hey, yeah, do the other one. It's fun.
I feel like you're like a more severe ending.
I feel like this is satisfying after all so much hard.
Yeah, that's just
Yeah,
like
it's
the
satisfying.
glory run at the
That's
end.
true. That is true.
Oh, you're good. You're good. Gun it.
You got it. Come on.
Gun it straight.
You got it.
Okay.
Man, your recoveries are amazing. It's like you slam on the gas and you get yourself in a crazy spot and somehow it
Oh no.
I know.
Oh, I just did it.
You did it.
Oh, I just did it.
It almost feels like the black one sits a little lower, huh? I feel like.
I feel like it's a higher. It's got a higher center of
You want me
gravity.
to turn it on the different mode?
Oh.
What?
Whoa, someone sprung a coolant leak.
I
Because
just
look,
realized that you're.
the black one's hitting.
I got a whole herd of them. Or flock of them, I should say. A herd of ducks.
Yeah, crank it hard right now.
I turned way too soon.
You're there. You might need to back up a little bit, but you're there. Oh, you're fine. You're going. You're good.
Maybe I could just floor it. Land
Go.
over there.
Just go. Yeah. Yeah, I got that corner pretty well
Yeah.
locked in.
Not me.
Can someone turn the camera? Please?
Like that?
Yeah, so it's
Yeah.
facing this log.
A little bit more.
Hey, bro. I'm in a bad spot here already.
Crank. Crank. To the right.
Nice.
You're good. You're good.
It's crazy how that can do
I
that.
know. You go up on three.
Oh, red.
Band's hanging off.
He's
Third
good.
wheel,
He's good.
fourth
He's
wheel.
good.
He's
There's
good.
a duck coming.
I'm after you.
Oh, that was like a
You're
baby
after that.
duck.
You're after-
Here, hold
you're
on a
next.
minute. Let me get you a whole herd of ducks again. I can't even talk.
This
Oh,
spot
Red
is
survived
sketchier than you would think coming off this log. It is very steep.
This is amazingly entertaining.
It seriously is.
There's one thing to just build a little track with remote control cars.
Okay, the three brothers.
Oh,
Let's
look at
finish
that. Look at
together
that.
as brothers.
I did that so clean.
Three
So
brothers.
clean.
Let's finish.
Okay.
Crank to the right, Mike.
Come on, brothers.
Abe's sitting alone in the
Oh, you
winner's
gotta crank it
circle.
to the right. You gotta crank it.
That's right.
I do like a little reverse. I do my tech.
You do something similar that I do.
I do like
Reverse.
a 5 to 10 point turn.
Oh, that rock helps you with the turn.
Yeah, this body definitely sits lower. I wonder if the shocks are. Because
Yeah, it is way lower.
it sits lower, huh?
It is way lower than that.
That's what I was using the whole time.
Yeah, the shocks
I need
almost
you to move.
need to be readjusted.
Can you adjust? You can adjust them?
Yeah, you can put some spacers that tighten them
Oh, nice.
and make them stiffer.
Yeah, because
I'm gonna wait for you
this
guys.
white one, I'm like, this is so much easier with this white
Yeah,
one.
this black one is not. The shocks are like kind of crappy on it.
I kind of suck with all of them.
Okay, someone get a picture of us.
I'm waiting for you.
Someone get a picture of us side by side.
He's Mike or Carter's filming the.
I'm coming. I'm coming for you.
Mike, come up on the left of Ben. If you crash, you'll ruin our whole photo.
Cool.
I seriously love these. Like, I have not left a toy in a long time as much as this.
Don't fall off it, please.
You didn't leave me a lot of room over here.
Oh, I wasn't expecting a photo op. Yeah, everybody get out of the picture. Yeah, let's get out of the picture.
Can we stand back
Okay.
there so they look
Okay,
like the
we're
same
good.
size? I know.
All right, Ben's leading the way. Yeah, see, look at like the body's dragging on the tires.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, you got no clearance there.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll have to take
Gun
the
it.
body off and look at the
Either
shocks.
gun it or go sideways.
I was going to say, it is a noticeable difference.
There you go.
Yeah, serious.
Move
Gun it, gun it, gun it.
Oh wait, our piece fell off.
where's your piece at?
Where did the piece go?
Oh, Abe's just up there all high and mighty like,
I'm
hoorah!
I'm just watching the peasants down there.
Nice.
It's easier as going left.
This is
Camera?
Fun. This is fun
Where's
when
camera?
you're doing,
Oh, okay, great.
I hate that part. Ben's front air gap. It's terrifying. I think I still like the left side better, or the right side better. I like it.
I think we need to find a better bridge.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even notice. Like, I've never made it that far.
Hey, Daddy.
I haven't ever made it past that.
You haven't? Oh, crap. Steve.
Oh, Steve.
I like this angle, though, better for my approach.
I haven't even made it to this.
Here, Carter, put the camera right here.
This is my nemesis. Like there's every part of the trail has a nemesis. Like this is mine here.
This is my...
I think like yeah, you maybe it
Oh,
would be.
nice.
Oh wow.
How do you just roll over it sometimes? It's weird if you find the right path.
Well, but
Sometimes it just rolls
like
over.
this one gets high center though.
Like he literally just rolled over that.
Like that one is hard because. What? Oh, what are you gonna say? Oh, thank you.
What?
Nice.
Okay.
Nice. Steve. Wow, well done.
This is where I died last time, so I have to be very careful. Ben, what's the trick? Don't die. Heston, watch that side for me, okay? Do I?
I think you're going off.
Oh, my stick's breaking. Dang it.
Oh, geez, that was so much easier with this thing. Your back wheel is about to fall into the.
The stick's breaking, dang it.
Can you fix it?
Can I fix the stick if it falls?
It's gonna fall. Oh no. Oh, I think you're.
Okay, I will start back.
It's kind of hard because it's. You got it. You got it.
Okay, I think I'm alive. I'm alive. You can adjust that stick because it moved on me. You can drive a truck over this. Look at these obstacles. You would never think it could make it through this.
Oh, I'm on the ramp.
This is a sharp turn.
Oh, got it. You did? Yeah. Oh, I'm telling you, it's like if I can know there's enough black ones.
Where are you going?
Got it.
Do it. Don't get careless.
I know. I had to really.
That is a steep.
Come on, Dad.
It is. Just concentrate all the way.
Yes, Dad. Floor it. I'm gonna fall off this.
Stevie!
Everyone's got to complete it. You want to try again? Hey, here, you try the black or the red or the black one's
There we go, Mikey.
Can we watch this?
Yeah.
Oh, you're kidding. Yeah, yeah.
No.
Okay, let Hadley try the red one. You can slice it.
Oh my God! Caught it before.
What?
That is sketchy stuff. You're sliding down.
Just run over the camera.
Hey, little boy.
Oh,
Carter's
man.
got to do it still, right?
Sorry, I wanted to. I had different plans.
Yep.
Hadley, you got
Little
okay.
kid's got, who's going to be the
Let's help you,
first
Hadley.
of the
You got red. All right.
young'uns to get it?
I'm gonna help you.
I need to change my
Our goal
tactics.